Thus the heavens and the earth were completed, and all their hosts. By the seventh day, God completed his work which he had done, and he rested on the seventh day from all his work which he had done. Then God blessed the seventh day and sanctified it, because in it he rested from all his work which God had created and made.
Noa koe nongkate serma, ot ar onakin re menak jinis ko ar sanamak ko reyak sirjau do satena. Ado Isor do eayak maha hilok do ajak sanam kamiye satkет khane jiro enai. Isor do eayak mahae bhorada ar sonot kedai. Chedak se ona maha re uni do aj e sirjau reyak sanam kami khone jiro enai. Isor do sanamak e sirjon kek khane eyay maha do bisram din se jiro maha mente men kedai. Ona din do aje sonot kedai are men kedai noa do jiro maha kana. Anongka ge sirjon do purau ena.